Dear students, Jai Hind. Today we discuss the map points of chapter 3 water resources. Actually, this chapter water resources to be assessed in periodic test only and will not be evaluated in the board examination. But the map work of this chapter, the 8 important points, the 8 mega dams of India will be asked in your board examination. So the first and the important mega dam of India is the Salal Dam. This Salal Dam is built on which river? In river Chenab. This is the river Chenab and this is your Salal Dam in the territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The second dam is Bhakra Nangal Dam. This is the largest dam of India which is built in the state of Himachal Pradesh on Satluj River. Next dam is Tehri Dam which is built on the Ganga River in the state of Uttarakhand. Next dam Rana Pratap Sagar Dam in the state of Rajasthan. This is the Rana Pratap Sagar Dam on which river? On the river चंबल. चंबल नदी के ऊपर राणा प्रताप सागर डैम है जो आपका राजस्थान स्टेट के अंदर है. फिफ्थ जो आपका है सरदार सरोवर डैम on which river? On the river of Narmada, and this is your Sardar Sarovar Dam on Narmada river in the state of Gujarat. In the state of Gujarat. Next dam is the Hirakund Dam which is built on Mahanadi river. This dam is the longest dam of India and it is built on Mahanadi river in the state of Odisha. In the state of Odisha. Next, number 7, that is Naga Arjun Sagar Dam which is built on the borderline of the two states, the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. And this Nagarjun Sagar Dam on which river? On the river Krishna. Next, Tungbhadra Dam. Tungbhadra Dam is built on Tungbhadra river which is the tributary of Krishna in the state of Karnataka. So let us revise again the 8 mega dams of India. The first dam which we locate here, the Salal Dam on river Chenab in the territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Second, the largest dam, Bhakra Nangal Dam, which is built on which river? Satluj and in the state of Himachal Pradesh. The third one, Tehri Dam, is on which river? Tehri Dam on Ganga Nadi in the state of Uttarakhand. Rana Pratap Sagar Dam, which is built on your Chambal river in the state of Rajasthan. Fifth, Sardar Sarovar Dam is on which river? Narmada river in the state of Gujarat. Sixth, Hirakund Dam in the state of Odisha. It is the longest dam of India on Mahanadi river. 7, Nagarjun Sagar Dam which is on the borderline of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh and on which river? On the Krishna river. And next and the last, that is Tungbhadra Dam. Tungbhadra is a river which is the tributary of Krishna and this dam lies in which state of India? In the Karnataka. And the another which is very important but it is not the part of your curriculum, Mettur Dam. Mettur Dam in the state of Tamil Nadu and on which river? On the river Kaveri. So dear students, today we discuss the important points of map of chapter 3 water resources. You have to locate these points on the map of India. Thank you and have a nice day.